Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Airdrop. Open the project's official site and connect your wallet securely, then verify eligibility and snapshot requirements. Start by reviewing tokenomics and qualifying actions like staking, governance votes, or testnet participation to ensure you meet criteria. Track deadlines and maintain on-chain records of transactions and interactions. Use a clean wallet with minimal prior spam and avoid risky signatures to keep your assets safe. First, audit eligibility rules on the project's docs and note the snapshot block or timestamp you must hit. Complete qualifying tasks such as bridging tokens, providing liquidity, or participating in governance polls. Verify that your wallet interactions are on-chain and avoid relayers that obscure provenance. Take screenshots of confirmations and export transaction history for records. Consider using multiple supported wallets if allowed, and follow official social channels for real-time updates and claim instructions. At claim time, confirm the official claim portal URL and connect only your designated wallet. Prepare gas funds and double-check estimated fees, considering batch claims to save on costs. Use hardware wallets for signing whenever possible and never paste private keys into web forms. If a claim requires a permit or signature, review the message carefully. Report suspicious requests and verify with community moderators before proceeding to avoid scams and preserve your rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.